There are moments in life that will define you, but it's not the moments which define you that you expect to be. It's not the climax of the chapter. It's not the battle with the dragon. It's not the high point or the pinnacle of the movie script or the movie theme and plot. What it is all the subtle moments in between, the seemingly nothings that compound themselves through repetition into your belief system, into your emotional belief system, into your paradigm, which directly affects your actions and then therefore the physical life around you. It's every single selfish desire, every single selfish justification, every single thing that you think that benefits you in the moment for joy or for happiness or laziness or gluttony, whatever it is, the gratification in which you receive in that moment is the direct representation of the damage that you are doing to yourself. And so stay true to your plan. Spend at least 30 minutes locked away in a bathroom, writing about your life and what it is that you want. And then if you can, which you should, do that every single day for years in order to discover what it is you want. Then begin to formulate a plan and then take action. And when you want to quit, you don't quit. When you want to deviate, you don't deviate. You never run off of the plan that you developed when you were sober of the mind of drive. Do not allow your mind, which is tainted with the drunken desire for laziness and self-satisfaction, instant gratification, do not allow that to falter your plans, because that will compound itself, become a habit, and then therefore will become your life.
Come on.